Hello, my name is Faisal. Al is short for Albert. My main objective in the Great Journey is to educate some pale faces, unite the mixed races, and travel to a lot of different places too. Look at me, I'm at the Leaning Tower of Pisa. Oh, now look, I'm hanging out with some Portuguese fishermen. Now I'm on top of the world. What I want to talk about today is the Trail of Tears. President Andrew Jackson decided one day to tell my people to get the crap and get out of town. Well, so we did, and you can imagine what happened. A bunch of my people leaving town, and basically in a line of people. Well, there you go, it's a trail of tears because a lot of people were dying and getting sick on the way. Well, I'll tell you what, things worked out pretty good. We ended up with some land back. Now I see Whitey down at the casino cashing his entire paycheck. That makes me feel pretty good inside. That makes me happy.